Boobs not be in it. Jesus. Okay. Hey guys, it's me. Dude, my boobs are coming out of my brow when you do that. Okay. My friend Tiffany just did like a massive photo shoot for me, so I'm gonna put them up on MySpace. Tiffany, come here and say hi. This is my baby girl.
Hello.
Say hi, Tiffany. And that's Danielle's body in the background. Look at my ass hanging out. Look. Check that shit out. Hold on. Where am I at? How come it won't work? Where do you see my boxers? Holla. Okay. So, we went. Fuck you, yo. We went and got. We got our magazine today. Well, mine. And I made them sit there in Barnes & Noble before I read it. And then I was like, fuck it, I'm just going to take it home and read it. Even though I think I read the whole article twice. No, I read it once. Oh. But then I came back upstairs and read the Tila part, which...
I like the YouTube voice.
How so? Like, no, it's not. Look, the arbor mist is, like, slowly working its way into my bloodstream. Okay, so anyway, we just wanted to say hi, and we haven't made a video for, like, mad long. The last video we made was, like, when I almost threw my computer out the window. But, we want to
explain why we're not in this video.
No,
here. No, I don't want to explain. You explain.
They don't want to be in this video because they think that they're a drunk mess, and they feel like they look ugly without any makeup on, and Danielle thinks she looks fat. But you know what? Look at this shit. Like, I really don't care. I look like a boy. So, we're gonna go party like frickin' rock stars, and no, don't slap my ass! Stop, Danielle. Danielle, wait, we're gonna take shots in 5 seconds.
Right fucking
asshole. Okay, so come here. Just get your face in it. Look, my face is the only one in it. Look. Oh my god, look at your honkers. They take up half the screen. Your honkers take up half the screen. Okay. Do you want to have a boob jogging contest? Like, I'll like go like this and like for my boobs like your boobs are fucking huger than mine. Look at that.
a little bit whiter. A little bit whiter.
Oh! You know, I don't even want to get her boobs in this. She does not compare. Okay, so we need to plug that event that we're doing. What's wrong with me? Sorry, Danielle and I booked. Okay, and it's going to be September 27th, which is next Saturday, and it's going to be at Kiss Cafe from 10:30 till 10:30 till 1:30. So get there after 11. We're going to have wet t-shirt contest, booty shaking contest, shots of love with Rizzo. Rock on. And she will be taking pictures and autographs and everything you want to do. So definitely make sure you swing by for the event, and we will see you soon. Ciao. Say hi. Bye. Peace up, A-Town. Danielle, stop reading the magazine.
Hello.
You look
boring,
so
don't mind her.
unattractive when you do that. Okay. We love you guys.